The VA Home Loan Benefit offers several ways for veterans to achieve homeownership or manage their existing mortgages more effectively. Here are 7 primary uses of the VA Home Loan Benefit. 1. Buying a home. Veterans can use their VA loan benefit to purchase a single-family home, a condominium in a VA-approved project, a multi-unit property, up to 4 units, a manufactured or modular home, and other less common types of dwellings such as dome homes and barn dominiums. As long as the veteran intends to occupy the dwelling as their primary residence, the VA loan can be used to purchase any of these. 2. Building a home. Veterans can also use the VA loan to finance the construction of a new home along with the purchase of the vacant land the home will be built on. The primary type of construction loan we're talking about is the OTC, short for one-time close. As we explain in our video series focused on this topic, it's called a one-time close loan because you go through the loan approval and closing process just once. The funds for the project are provided upfront even before construction starts. The OTC construction loan can also be used for constructing a new home by moving and placing a brand new manufactured home on an empty lot and setting it up with a permanent foundation. 3. Refinancing a home. There are 2 main refinancing options available under the VA loan program. Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan, IRRRL. Also known as a VA Streamline Refinance, this option allows veterans to refinance an existing VA loan to reduce their interest rate and monthly mortgage payments without requiring an appraisal or extensive underwriting. Cash Out Refinance Loan. This option allows veterans to refinance a non-VA loan into a VA loan or refinance an existing VA loan while taking cash out from the home's equity. This can be used for purposes like home improvements, debt consolidation, or other financial needs. 4. Renovating a home that needs repair, rehab, and/or remodeling. The VA renovation, discussed in another video in this series, empowers veteran homeowners and homebuyers to take a home that needs repairs and have the repairs and rehab work financed through the VA loan as opposed to paying for them with cash out of pocket. When purchasing a home, this enables a veteran to avoid asking the seller to do the repairs. In situations where such repairs are extensive and the home is sold as is, veterans can capitalize on the opportunity to pick up a home that most buyers would be unable to move forward on. 5. Modifying a home using VA's adaptive housing grants. Veterans with disabilities might be eligible to use their VA loan benefit in conjunction with grants to modify an existing home to accommodate their disability. There are 2 types of grants for these severely disabled veterans. These modifications can improve accessibility and functionality. Most of the time, veterans are either purchasing a home that's been previously owned or they already own the home they want to modify. A word of caution. In these situations, obtaining the necessary grants to remodel the home to comply with the Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) standards can be a lengthy process. This is because veterans must navigate through detailed planning and construction phases. If a veteran is indecisive, the planning stage alone can stretch over several months. Any changes made during the process or disputes with the builder can cause further delays. Occasionally, conflicts can escalate to the point where a builder may decide to walk away from the project. The VA controls the funding through payments made in draws, which means not all the money is released at once. Securing grants for these projects can be a time-consuming endeavor for the veteran, but well worth the hassle in the end. 6. Upgrading a home with energy-efficient improvements. Veterans can also add the cost of energy-efficient improvements to their loan amount, either at the time of purchase or during refinancing. This product is known as the EEM, which stands for Energy Efficient Mortgage. The VA EEM is designed to help veterans lower their utility bills and make their homes more comfortable and environmentally friendly. It can cover improvements such as solar heating systems, insulation, and other energy-efficient upgrades. There are caps on the cost of improvements which can be financed. Check with your loan officer as to the present, most up-to-date amount. If you wish to finance more than the present monetary cap allowed for improvements, the VA requires that the increase in the loan amount does not exceed the expected savings from the energy efficiency improvements. This means the value added by the improvements must be supported by energy savings over time. 7. VA Native American Loan, NADL. If you're a veteran and either you or your spouse is Native American, the Native American Direct Loan (NADL) program may help you get a loan to buy, build, or improve a home on federal trust land, also known as Indian tribal lands or reservations. You may also get a loan to refinance an existing NADL and reduce your interest rate. These loans, unlike VA-backed loans, which are made by banks and mortgage companies, are made directly by the government to the veteran. Each of these options is designed to help veterans achieve homeownership or improve their current housing conditions with more favorable terms compared to traditional loans, including no requirement for a down payment or private mortgage insurance, PMI, and more lenient credit requirements. Another benefit for many veterans is the blessing of not having to part with cash to accomplish some of their financial goals.